How to mute someone on Snapchat. You need a little fish and quiet on Snapchat without unfriending someone. In this video, I'll walk you through how to mute someone on Snapchat so you stay in control without any awkwardness. First, open the Snapchat app. Now swipe right from the camera screen to access your chat list. This is where all your recent conversations live. Scroll to the list, or you can locate the friend or contact whose objects or messages you want to mute. Open it. Now press and hold their name until a pop-up menu appears like this. Now from here you can click on this three dots at the top right. Now here you can see chat and notification setting. Click on it. Now again tap on notification settings and you can see mute chats and mute calls right here. Toggle this on. You can just choose until I unmute them. You can also mute calls like this until I unmute them. And now once you toggle it on, tap on done, and in this way the other person won't be notified and you maintain your connection while keeping your notifications and feed distraction free. Isn't this helpful? If this was, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.